Backpack Lie Reviews app. The pros, the cons. If you're a fan of outdoor adventures, streetwear or versatile backpacks, Backpack Lie might catch your eye. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just an online store, but the surprising truth is the app also provides style guides, user reviews, and inventory alerts, making it a lifestyle shopping hub. The pros: users love the wide selection of backpacks, from daypacks to travel gear, and the durable materials and practical designs. The app offers easy navigation, search filters by size, color, and brand, plus options for tracking orders and accessing promotions. Customer reviews provide insight into fit, durability, and real-world usability, which helps with decision-making. The cons: some users mention that stock can be limited for popular items, and shipping times vary depending on location. Occasional app crashes or slow load times have also been reported. In short, the pros are variety, durability, and helpful user reviews, while the cons are stock limitations and occasional app performance issues. The takeaway: Backpack Lie is perfect for anyone looking for stylish, functional backpacks with honest reviews, but keep in mind that popular models may sell out quickly. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more shopping app insights.